Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I have found this beautiful women's wide leg pants that I've been loving. I was looking for something extra comfortable for the summer, and these are super soft and gentle on your skin. You're going to notice too that they're breathable, so that's even better. I love every feature about these pants. I really appreciate that since I'm a petite person, these are the perfect length. As you can see, I'm wearing heels too, but these can go perfectly well with flats. You're going to see the beautiful waist design it has, and it's also elastic, making it extra comfortable. You're going to see too that it has a wide leg look, which is very trendy and modern at the same time. You can literally dress these up or wear them for a casual look. I also love that these have pockets. Who doesn't love pockets on their dresses or on their pants? These pants have added so much uniqueness to my wardrobe, and I would highly recommend them. But that's my point of view.